Hi, in this video we will discuss about the timeline, which is Power BI most common visual and why we are using this and how this timeline is too much effective in Power BI. Basically timeline is used for the filtration purpose, and here we can say that this is the scenario that either timelines support the single value like year or month or not. Then here is the explanation that timeline slicer will support single value and the range value. The features of the slicers are the Power BI are of canvas visual filtration. Slicers enable our users to sort and filter a packed report and view only the information they want. Sync Slicer feature is available in Power BI. Display common used or important filtration on the report canvas for easier access. Here in this image, you can see some slicer features and the slicer way how to display it and how to filter the report. Slicer feature that did not support is the input fields and the drill down options. Please see the image that how we can discuss it. Then here is the we can say that automatically check mark in slicer. Then even in timeline or the slicer options, there is the only select all option is available, but not the auto check mark in Power BI tool is available. Here in this way, I'm going to show my report in which way I am using the Power BI. Is a timeline feature, which is the most commonly features. First, I have to go towards with our dashboard. In dashboard, this is called the timeline. In this dashboard, we have to enable the year and the monthly feature. If you want to analyze the whole dashboard in monthly basis, then this will display the whole information about the month of the October. And if you want to see the whole year data, then this will display the year 2024 data in our dashboard. You can see that cross filtration is enable in this. For example, if I am using this, I'm taking this one, then all the dashboard will give you the result of this. And if I'm taking this, for example, reward points, thank you.